Hey guys, Tim here with A4 Outdoors, and today we're going to install this tablet holder glove compartment type storage deal from Extreme Metal Products. There's several out there. Can-Am makes one, Kimimoto makes one. I think they're pretty much all the same. EMP comes with this, two different types, gasket material and 4 screws. I was in the process of putting the windshield in and realized it's probably going to be a little easier if I wait. If I go ahead and slap this in before I do the rest of the windshield, because I have to put some screws in. So what I did, I took the thicker material and stuck it basically where the top of this is going to align. It's not going to keep it waterproof, but maybe it'll help keep some dirt and dust out and stuff like that. It comes with that thickness there and some thinner stuff. I ran it just along the outside edge. I'll cut it off basically where the tablet mount stops with like a little razor knife or something like that. And basically this just sits up on top like that, and there are 4 screws. There's 2 in the back there that the screws go into, and then there's dimples, as you can see. They'll screw through here, and in the front you open the little door, and then there's 2 dimples there and there. So I'll set it up on there, start my screws, and put those 4 screws in, and that'll be finished. So I set it up there and got it even pretty much on both sides, and I kind of started the screws just a little bit to kind of get where the dimple, I could kind of put them in by hand and they'd start easily. So I put this corner in, then I went to the front and then did those 2, and it just snugged them down with the impact a little bit. And I've got the one more, so I started that by hand where it kind of started, and then I'll just I just snugged it where it's tight, and then I'll take a regular Phillips head screwdriver by hand and just snug them down by hand to make sure I don't strip anything out or anything. But that's pretty much it. And now you can open this for a glove box and still have your charging port open, and it will close and click, and this adjusts up and down where you put your tablet in here. Button presses, and then you loosen this and it opens, and tighten it back down to make it fit your tablet, whatever size tablet you have it for. It's snug, and you're good to go. Thanks again. If you like this video, hit a like at the bottom and subscribe to our page. We would appreciate it.